This is a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda steering wheel, and this one was not leather covered from the factory. As you can see, that is just a molded steering wheel, and this customer has an idea in mind of what he wants to do, so he sent in his own leather, wants us to cover it in this saddle color leather that's going to be obviously what he's redoing his interior in, and that is going to absolutely look amazing. So we're going to put it through our transformation and we'll come back and show you the results when it's done. Take a look at this gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, looking as good as new. Customer sent in his own leather that he had used to have his interior reupholstered, and so we took that leather and reupholstered the steering wheel with the same leather. His interior is going to really stand out. We love these old Barracudas as well as all the old and new cars, so reach out to us here at craftcustoms.com, where you are going to love what you get. We guarantee it.